Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely crazy day to day, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above this $1.40 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.40, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above it, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon. But that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above $1.40 would be great, but from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of kind of that first area of resistance, which is essentially formed the top of this little miniature channel right here. So that's going to be right up there at $1.60. So $1.60, that first level of resistance, if the bulls can push through there. The next key one right up there around the $1.80 mark. So short-term, $1.60, $1.80. Yeah, you have some levels up here around $2.20, but let's first see if the bulls can even get above these levels before you start talking about anything up above $2. All in all, though, crazy movement today. And a lot of volatility, a lot of eyeballs on this one. Remember, the markets are closed tomorrow on Wednesday for Independence Day. But Thursday, Friday, like I said, I'm very curious to see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.